Welcome to Bankruptcy Bytes, a video series presented by the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Eastern District of Missouri. My name is Matt Rodman. I'm the attorney advisor to the clerk of court. Today, let's make sense of the automatic stay. Before we get started, just remember, the clerk's office and its staff are strictly forbidden from providing debtors and prospective debtors with legal advice, as we have a statutory obligation to always remain neutral. Everyone's situation is different, and for the best individual assistance, we recommend you speak with an attorney to get expert advice on the right path for you. Now, what is the automatic stay? The automatic stay, as detailed in 11 U.S.C. Section 362 of the Bankruptcy Code, stops collection efforts against the debtor at the time the voluntary petition is filed. It goes into effect the moment the voluntary petition is filed, and at that time, all creditors will then be notified that the automatic stay is active. Once creditors have notice of the case, they must comply with the automatic stay, meaning they are prohibited from taking any further steps to collect pre-petition debts. And this is important. Pre-petition debts are those debts incurred prior to the filing of a voluntary petition. You're probably asking yourself, how does the automatic stay benefit me? Well, the automatic stay benefits the debtor because it allows them to consolidate all collection efforts for all pre-petition debts into a single proceeding heard by the bankruptcy court. This allows the debtor to avoid having to settle each debt individually. Creditors can no longer call you or send you letters in an attempt to collect debts, and any wage garnishments must stop. If creditors continue to contact you after the automatic stay has gone into effect, you can alert the bankruptcy court of this violation. The creditor may be subject to discipline for a violation or repeated violations of the automatic stay. So as you can see, the automatic stay provides a huge benefit for the debtor, but it must be used for the correct purpose. The Bankruptcy Code includes provisions intended to discourage repeated or serial filings. There are some circumstances where the protections offered by the automatic stay are limited or even denied. The automatic stay is limited to only 30 days if you had a pending bankruptcy case within a year of the current case. In this case, you may file a motion to extend the stay detailing why the stay should be extended. Please note, if the prior case was dismissed more than a year before the current bankruptcy proceeding began, the 30-day restriction does not apply, even if the prior case was still open within a year of the most recent filing. If a debtor has two cases pending within a year before the most recent case is filed, the automatic stay never goes into effect at all. This video is intended to give you a broad overview of the automatic stay. If you have further questions about the automatic stay, its interpretation, and whether or not it applies in your case, the court strongly suggests that you speak with an attorney. A bankruptcy attorney is going to have specialized knowledge and education on the Bankruptcy Code, the federal rules of bankruptcy procedure, and the local rules of bankruptcy procedure. Together, this operates as the roadmap for a successful bankruptcy case. If you would like to speak with an attorney regarding your recent or upcoming bankruptcy filing, the Bar Association of Metropolitan St. Louis hosts the St. Louis Bankruptcy Pro Se Assistance Program. This program offers cost-free 30-minute sessions with an attorney where the prospective or current debtor can get the answers to some of their questions. To schedule an appointment, you may call 1-844-758-4059 or schedule online at www.bamsl.org/bankruptcy. Thanks for tuning in to Making Sense of the Automatic Stay, part of the Bankruptcy Bytes series presented by the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Eastern District of Missouri. I'm Matt Rodman, the Attorney Advisor to the Clerk of Court. On behalf of the Clerk and the entire Clerk's Office staff, we hope you find this information helpful, and we wish you all the best going forward.